Hey, how's it going? It's just about noon. There's my dog Gunner, and got some lunch going on. The King G here. 2 hot dogs. One for me, one for the dog. The wife's gonna eat some chicken that we already grilled. Look at the apples are doing crazy. They're getting bigger and they're starting to ripen up. And also I couldn't believe the butternut. The butternut, they're starting to lose their leaves, and we got all kinds of, there's some there's some hanging on here, all along here there's butternut. This is a big guy here, and we got one that's still growing. This one's still growing, it's still green. When they're green, they're still growing, and I found one just started right there it is. That one's starting, so I think it's got plenty of time to get going. There's one down here, but yeah, we're gonna have all kinds of them. Opening the potatoes, I started digging the potatoes. I dug a lot of them up. These are gonna be dug pretty soon. All the ones over there were dug up. Horseradish is still growing, still doing great. Probably by mid-October I'll dig that up. What do we got? The lilies are done flowering. The climbing rose bushes bounced way back from when the rabbits cut it right off at the base this winter. What else we got? The yellow tomatoes. They're still giving tomatoes. I got this up for the rabbits. Yeah, look at the tomatoes. We're getting yellow tomatoes, all kinds of yellow tomato. These are delicious. These are my favorite. These yellows are sweet. And yeah, we got red tomatoes still. They're ripening up. All kinds of them. Right there. Pulled all the beets. Planted some spinach. That's coming up good. The beans are just about done. Got a few I gotta pick off. Like right here. In there. Squash have pretty much come to an end. There's some small ones. They're getting smaller and smaller, like right here. So I think they're just about done. I'm gonna pull them maybe later this afternoon. And the wife's wildflowers, and that big one, that's gonna flower anytime. Big stalk right here. I don't know, it's gonna be big flower. But this rebloomed. It went dead, then it grew some more, and it bloomed again, so that was cool. And I think that's just about it. Our garden is coming to an end. Alright, bonus video. I'm going to talk a little about my solar. I got 400 watts now. I'm down to 400 watts working solar panels. Right now, the sun's not really hitting them much, but they're still producing a little bit, 38 watts. I reset it in January to now, and it's made $34 to send up to the house. But that's not all I made, because I've been charging these up. I gotta charge this one right now. So I charge it right off the batteries that are charged from solar. So right here, plug it in right there, and now it'll start charging. Yep, right there. And she charges right off the batteries. They're charged from the sun before it goes to the house. The electricity charges this battery up. So yeah, that'll be charged up in about hour or so. And also all summer I've hooked this right up to the batteries. This is my cooler. I keep my beer in it, and I always come out here, grab a beer at about 37 degrees. It's really good. I'm drinking some Miller High Life right now. I got some Coors in there too. But yeah, this one I always keep topped off. It's at 100%. And the one out that I'm cooking my hot dogs on. I'm using a power station, and I charge that power station up from the sun too, so it's all run by the sun. So yeah, it's pretty fun. Pretty fun using solar to do stuff with. Alright, I guess that's about it. Oh. Yeah, I thought I'd pop back on and show you the all powers. Right there, you hear it going. I got a 300 something, but it's it's plugged into my all powers power station. And I take this station, when I'm done with it, I'll take this into the shed and charge it back up from the sun. So, you know, this is all running courtesy of that up there. Alright, out.